How do you know what 2 cups is if you just measure 2 cups?
What? How do you know what 2 cups is?
If you just measure 2 cups, how are you gonna say it's not enough?
Because you know how like when you make the pancakes, when you make pancakes, it like there's never enough, and you always need like this much more left.
that away.
Then you're gonna have to add this much
Put that
more
away.
of the other
I need
ingredients.
the ingredients, huh?
All you have to do is add water.
Milk, I think.
Water.
Just add water.
Ew.
Something's fell in there.
We should add milk just to see how it
Ew, gross.
Gross?
Yeah, that's nasty. Does 1 1/2 mean like 1 full cup and then
A half a cup.
Use the liquid one.
no?
No. You
I
have
know,
flour
our
all over
teacher's
your
like-
shirt.
Our teacher's like, you need to use a liquid measuring cup for liquid, and I'm like, I don't
Okay.
think I have one of those.
Guess and a half. That's a 4.
Just do 2 of that.
Just do 2 of those.
I was never good at measuring stuff.
fractions.
Yeah. I'm still not good at this, but.
By the way.
Why is it all bubbling?
Because there was dough in it.